Welcome one and all to the world of Garage Auto Fix. I'm John, your guide on this wild journey of automotive experiments. Today we're diving into an experiment that's a little off the beaten path, one that might just make you question everything you thought you knew about tires. Buckle up, because we're replacing all 4 tires of a car with 100 kilos worth of nails. Yes, you heard that right. Nails, those tiny sharp things you use to hang pictures or build a deck. Intrigued? So am I. Our first step into this uncharted territory involves the removal of the original tires. We need a clean slate to begin our experiment. We meticulously unscrew each tire, ensuring not to damage any part of the car. It's a delicate process, but necessary for what we're about to undertake. With the tires safely removed, we then venture into the heart of our experiment. We've managed to source 100 kilos of nails, a sight to behold in itself. Our task now is to carefully, and I mean carefully, arrange these nails in a way that they can support the weight of our car. It's a painstaking process, requiring precision, patience, and a whole lot of courage. We take our time ensuring each nail is positioned just right. After what feels like an eternity, we have our 4 sets of nail tires ready. We then proceed to attach these to our car. Each turn of the wrench is met with a sense of anticipation, a mix of excitement and trepidation. Once we've securely fastened our nail tires, we take a step back to admire our handiwork. It's an unusual sight, one that could easily belong in a modern art exhibit. But the real question remains: will it work? As the car starts to move, there's a deafening crunch, a sound unlike anything you'd associate with a car. But lo and behold, the car is moving. Slowly but surely, our nail tires are holding up. They're not smooth, they're not quiet, but they're working. However, as the car continues to move, we notice the nails start to bend, buckle under the pressure. The ride becomes more uneven, more unstable. Then, just as we were starting to believe in the impossible, our nail tires give in. They collapse under the weight of the car, proving that, while fascinating, this experiment was a step too far. In summary, replacing car tires with 100 kilos of nails was a wild and thrilling experiment. It gave us a few moments of disbelief as the car actually moved, but ultimately, it proved that not all materials are suitable for all purposes. Nails, while strong in their own right, simply cannot replace the reliability and stability of a good old-fashioned tire. Thank you for joining me, John, on this fascinating journey on Garage Auto Fix. We may not have reinvented the wheel today, but we sure had a blast trying. Until next time, keep pushing boundaries and questioning the status quo.